Hello friends, this is Medical College Kolkata, the library room. So let's have a look into the library and the organization of the library. Here we have kept a section of all the medicine books. You can have a look, all the medicine books in an order from Harrison 15th to 20th edition, current medical diagnostics and treatment CMDT, and other Kumar and Clark and other few textbooks of medicine. Then we have a neurology section. All the textbooks of neurology, localization or any other disorders in neurology are kept in this section. And then we have a subpart of neurology only, which is epilepsy. On the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have all the cognitive disorders, cognitive neurosciences. So that is library part number 1. The next one, we move on to library 2, which takes us into the psychiatry. So psychiatry part, we have got the textbooks first. So all the textbooks of psychiatry are there in the first section, in the second section, in the third section, and also in the next library first section left hand side, because we have got many textbooks on psychiatry. Then we enter into the specific disorders of psychiatry and their management. So on the right hand side we've got the mental retardation and other child psychiatry disorders and their management, their anything related to that is kept in that. And on the lower part we have got the psychopharmacology or the neuropsychopharmacology textbooks. So anything related to pharmacology is kept in this section. Library number library section, cupboard number 3, section 2. On the lower section we have got other specific disorders. On the left hand side we have got bipolar and depression. In the middle we have got suicide and stress management books. On the right hand side we have got all the books on schizophrenia, all the related books on schizophrenia. And so this is our part. On the next section we have got the journal section. So all the journals are there, old and new, all the journals are kept here. We have got a plan of changing it into the upper part to become the Indian Journal of Psychiatry section. Then on the second half we can keep British Journal of Psychiatry. We can on the lower sections we can keep American journals. And continuing all those journals and journals and things, so we have made a special section on these are all the dissertations. Above are all the dissertations, and on the right side we have got some psychology and psychopathology books, and also we have got in that some research oriented books. So methodology for research is kept in library section number 4. Section number 4, the top section. In the lower section, the second section, we have got the year books. So year wise we have kept the books. Year books are kept here. Yearly one book of psychiatry is published, that is kept here. In between we have got all the classification manuals, the DSM in action, DSM-4 text revision, DSM-4 and other personality disorder treatment planner is also kept here, which might be revamped into some other place. On the right side we have got the PCNA books, the psychiatric clinics of North America. And on the lower part we have got the books for the management of the library on the left hand side, and some miscellaneous books on the in the middle. And on the right hand side we have got the old and new apparatus and materials required, like the BP machines are here, the direct ophthalmoscope, the torch, all are kept in this section. So that is a basic division of the library of the Medical College Kolkata, and this is the reading area. Okay. Yes. So we have more plans of revamping into some other sections also. So so if there are any suggestions from your side of the management, so please you can write to us. You can please share your comments. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this long and elaborative video.